Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix PDF files open in Edge instead of Adobe Reader. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, Settings. In this left side panel, this fifth option, Apps, Default Apps. Scroll down. Select Choose Defaults by file type. Type here PDF. Click on this drop down. Now here select Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. If you not see here, so click on More Apps and find out and select your desired application where you want to open your PDF file. In case Microsoft Edge is selected, so select Adobe Reader or any another program. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve PDF files open in Edge instead of Adobe Reader. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.